All right, this is part two on the Toyota Matrix. No start, no crank. There was a little click when I would turn the ignition cylinder, the key in the ignition cylinder. And what I found out was that little click was the starter relay. And I'm showing you guys here. Definitely get yourself a little set or a couple really small micro screwdrivers. They come in handy. And I'm using this little micro flathead screwdriver I have. This is the easiest way to access the starter relay. And I'm going to pull it out here in a minute and show you guys just how corroded it was. So it really, I had fixed my starter myself, put in a brand new premium lifetime warranty starter, brand new AGM battery. And this is the old relay. And you can see, especially on that, looks like it's fried, right? Like that's where the relay gets sent down that, down the, whatever that metal rod is that's facing the different way than the rest of them. That really looked burnt and corroded. That's the new relay I got off Amazon. I ordered a couple more just to be safe to throw in my glove box if something ever happens. But yeah, popped the new relay in and sure enough, fired right up.